Mm-hmm.
So,
She's hearing you?
see me.
Okay. Lee, say good morning to Mama. Huh? Oh, you hear her?
You know, me is sick too, you know.
Oh. Oh, Lee, she can't hear you.
I kind of winning on my ears. If you don't talk loud, me no hear.
You put alcohol in it?
No, with peppermint.
Oh, I'm gonna put some alcohol in it for you. Oh.
You're fat man, you're alright. That is, yes, you must be smart, you know. You
Yeah.
know Miss Smart who and heart. Take it.
What have you been up to? What have you been up to? Nothing? Same old, same old? Yeah? Oh, I brought some stuff for you. What's going on? Mama got a new bag. Look, you even get sweetie. Ginger.
What have you been by the saw?
I saw fun there.
So, good morning, guys. This morning, I lost my earrings, so I'm gonna go try and find some. My grandma, well, my great grandma, came and we had breakfast together and we just talked and caught up. So I wasn't really vlogging. My mom is here.
Say, I'm fine. We like your kid.
Say hi, mommy. You guys remember mommy?
Good morning.
Look at mommy. Hottie. So yeah, some's like,
That's my zebra to drop out.
oh, do you have to tie it tighter? A little tighter? Tie it in the shade though.
It's tight.
So yeah, we're walking.
Yeah.
No, I have to, Mom. Yeah, we're in the grocery store. We're getting some pine on ginger. Guys, it is so hot. But we're with Grandma. I want to catch Grandma dancing. Mama dancing.
Right here. Come.
I went to the college. Increase my wisdom and understanding and knowledge.
Bye, Mama. I love you. I'll see you Wednesday.
Oi, but I mean, not get nothing. You know, see how that picture take me, not get nothing, you know.
I spent it for both of us.
I ask her where she from, she tell me in the tropics. She asks me what's my name, I tell her I am chronic. And I say, girl, tell me what's your name. She tell me that her name is Jamaica. And I said, smile, girl, smile, yeah. Smile for me, Jamaica. And I said, smile.
Oh, this is
girl,
nice.
Smile, hey, smile for me, Jamaica. Never you cry, here am I. Yeah, I'm here for you, Jamaica.
So guys, we are leaving Reggae Paradise. You guys saw this like where my cousin's wedding was in a few vlogs ago. So we're leaving. We just had fish bammy, fruit punch and pina colada and conch soup. So now we're leaving, and you saw my cousin Kamisha. So now we're leaving. so pretty. So now we're going home. Yeah, so we're going home right now.
She was beauty to my eyes. I ask her where she from, she tell me in the tropics. She asked me what's my name, I tell her I am chronic. And I say, girl, tell me what's your name. She tell me that her name is Jamaica. And I said, smile, girl, smile, yeah. Smile for me, Jamaica. And I said, smile, girl, smile. Hey, smile for me, Jamaica. Never you cry, here am I. Yeah, I'm here for you, Jamaica. Dry your eyes, girl, smile. Smile for me, oh. Hey, she got a rich history, a beautiful woman with the sweetest gifts. Beautiful sunrise and an evening kiss of a nice sunset on the evening season. But she tell me, say she try her hard. Tell that they exploit and the liar. She get them reggae, get them beaches, get them flowers and the ferns. All she got.